4 new COVID-19 cases were discovered in the past 24 hours, bringing the total number of cases found in Malta so far up to 426. 3 of those newly identified infections were among residents of the Halfar Open Centre, which is currently under lockdown. The 4th patient is an Italian 34-year-old man who reported symptoms on April the 14th. He has been linked to a previously identified patient. Meanwhile, 8 further patients have recovered from the virus, bringing the total number of recovered patients up to 99. Health Superintendent Professor Charmaine Gauci urged people to stay indoors and warned that the low number of daily cases could very easily spike if people did not obey social distancing guidelines. 2 international agencies published Malta's credit ratings which reflect the pandemic effects. Moody's agency classified Malta in level A2 with stable prospects, while Fitch agency confirmed the A+ rating. However, it revised prospects from positive to stable. Moody's economists said that the A2 rating with stable prospects is due to the sustained economic growth that Malta registered in recent years. They also observed that the country has good reserves, low government debt level, and the fact that the government may take local loans. On the other hand, Fitch agency economists revised the Maltese economy prospects from positive to stable. They said that this is due as Malta's economy is expected to be exposed to the local and international effects created by the pandemic. Private school fees will be reduced by at least 35% for the duration of the coronavirus pandemic, the Education Ministry said on Saturday, thanks to a deal struck between private schools and the government. The deal will see the government guarantee the jobs of roughly 2,200 workers at private schools and childcare centres and ensure that no child in any private school loses their spot. The deal was agreed following separate negotiations the government held with associations representing independent schools and childcare centres. The use of robotics is now in operation at the main government medicine warehouse in San Juan. During a visit to the warehouse, the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Health, Chris Fearn, said the system is capable of preparing medicinal doses for all patients at Mater Dei Hospital, even if there is an increase in demand. The technology enables a robot to select medicines individually required, to pack the doses in separate sachets and pass these to a robot at the hospital, which will then distribute to patients. As world coronavirus deaths pass 150,000, more than 4.5 billion people are under containment to slow the pandemic. The United Kingdom's death toll has surpassed 15,000, as 888 new deaths are confirmed. The death toll from COVID-19 in Spain moved past 20,000 on Saturday, while doctors in Japan have warned that the country's medical system could collapse amid a wave of new coronavirus cases.